Looking like it's gonna be another rush day. I have like a half hour to not only get ready, but get something to eat for me and the family before we leave. So let's see what that's gonna be. So I'm just gonna do eggs on toast. I'm gonna have 2 eggs and I'm going to put them on, those are 70 calories a piece, so 140 calories. And I'm gonna put it on a piece of bread. This is some kind of wheat bread that's 120 calories for 1 slice. 260 calories there, and I'm gonna have a full cup of almond milk at 30 calories. We are back from our sporting event and it's time to get lunch underway. So I'm going to start with some air fried chicken. I'm going to measure out 4 ounces of chicken, which is going to be 200 calories. I had to break off a little piece of chicken to get it to come out at 4, but we are right there at 4 ounces, 200 calories. And now we're just gonna pop that in the air fryer for whatever the package directions say. Now that we have our chicken in the air fryer, we're gonna start with a nice big healthy bed of lettuce, and I've been working on this lettuce for days. Make sure your lettuce is nice and fresh. And once you get the lettuce in, we're gonna add some whatever vegetables you like. Anything you like, really. So for me, the only vegetables, I tend to just call everything, because I use a whole big bunch of vegetables, I just call it 30 calories. But I know that these 5 olives that I chopped up, that's 25 calories right there. So maybe I'll just call this 40 calories. It really doesn't matter because it's very minimal one way or the other. But the things that we're gonna count are the chicken, which we've already done. We're gonna count the salad dressing, and I will be using Hidden Valley Light Ranch dressing. This one's my favorite, 60 calories for 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna count the Parmesan cheese also. So I'm gonna probably put 1/8 of a cup in here, and I think that's around 50 calories. And now we're gonna, oh, can't forget the bacon bits. 1 tablespoon has 25 calories. We're gonna use a whole tablespoon, and this is gonna be delicious and beautiful. So we got our lettuce in here. Now, don't be shy with the lettuce. A whole, like a cup and a half only has like 15 calories. Put as much on there as you think you can eat. So we got our lettuce ready. We are just gonna add our vegetables in. You can be fancy for good presentation if you want to. Maybe I won't do that. I'll just put that right there like that, and then I'll put that right there. And that'll go up there on the top. This will go up here in the bottom. This will go on the side. Yeah, that looks pretty fancy. Oh my God. Pinky's high, because this is fancy. Okay, it actually looks terrible. But anyway, since we've already got all this stuff out and we're already chopping it, make 2. That way you have 1 meal prepped. So we're just gonna scoop all, this one's probably gonna look better. We're gonna scoop it all in there. Twins. So the one I eat today, I'm gonna put the Parmesan cheese on right now. We're gonna put a tablespoon of bacon bits on there. I'm guesstimating that also. I think this is a tablespoon, but let's just measure it. I got a tablespoon right here. I got a handful right here. Pour it in there. I lost nothing. I lost like 1 crumb. Oh man, that's pretty good guesstimation. Now you know why I don't measure anything usually. Okay, so that goes in there, that goes in there, that goes in there. Now we take the chicken from the air fryer, put it on the salad that we're gonna eat today. It's still nice and hot. Gonna rip it up just a little bit. It's juicy and hot. Use caution when touching hot things. Do not get burnt, and I'm not liable if you do. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing on there. 1, 2. Okay, this is lunch. Time to enjoy. Look at that bite. It's got chicken and cheese and everything naughty. A little bit of bacon gives it so much more flavor. Nice bit of hot chicken there. Wow. Good crunch with the celery. The chicken's still hot. The bacon's flavorful. The peppers are tangy. And it was quick. You won't be disappointed. So before I make dinner, I'm gonna have a little snack. I'm gonna have a Weight Watchers, I can't read it through my phone, giant chocolate fudge bar, which really means like tiny chocolate fudge bar, and it's 90 calories, but it's worth every bite. Time for dinner. I'm gonna make a
I'm not your baby girl, I'm